Mga kababayan, ano bang ma-advise natin kay Russian vlogger Vitaly Sudovoretsky? Hi, Vitaly, ang mai-advise ko lang sa iyo, Vitaly, please learn how to love eating rice. Because rice is life in the Philippines, Vitaly. Rice in the morning, rice lunch, rice dinner, and don't forget, Vitaly, kasama na dyan sa rice is sardines. So, we have so many choices, Vitaly. 555 sardines, family sardines, mega sardines, at saka señorita sardines, Vitaly. Yun ang mga sikat na mga brand, okay? Tapos kung ayaw mo naman ng sardines, if you don't like sardines, there's also dried fish. Social na nga kung danggit yung i-offer nila sa iyo, 'di ba? Isabi pa naman nila 70 pesos daw budget ng meal mo. So imagine, Vitaly, 70 pesos budget in 3 meals in a day. So, anong kakainin mo, Vitaly? So, maybe 70 pesos is just for rice and sardines. Okay, Vitaly? And saka, another advice, Vitaly, don't forget, Vitaly, to bring KY jelly kasi your slim at saka fair skin, ay magiging sikat ka dyan, Vitaly. Okay? So don't forget those, Vitaly. Okay? And don't forget also to bring off lotion, Vitaly. So many mosquitoes there in the jail for sure. And then, Vitaly, don't also forget to learn how to speak and understand Tagalog kasi maraming marites dyan, Vitaly. Okay? Good luck, Vitaly. So, mga kababayan, ano bang mai-advise nyo kay Vitaly? Okay? Bye, Vitaly. Enjoy your stay in the Philippines.